birthday, Mama. Today is special day. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता डब्लू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू, दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Hello Kirti, happy birthday to you beta, and many returns of the day. May God give you good health, happiness and fulfill all your wishes. You are with us since last 7 years. We have never treated you as a daughter-in-law. We always treat you as a daughter. And you have always given respect to us, even having a cordial dealings with everyone in family. Ankita, Aditya, Manu, Geetika and everybody. Everybody appreciates you, whosoever talks to you even outside the family. You are a great asset to our family. And may God always give you whatever you desire in your life. And I have become very mild since the day you have come and learned lot of religious things too from you. Thanks a lot, beta. God bless you.
बार दिन ये आए, बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Kirti. Kirti, love you so much. You have been the greatest blessings which God has given us. Love you so much. From day one I always felt that you are my Bittiya, you are my daughter. I never felt that you are my daughter-in-law. Love you so much. God bless you, beta.
कीर्ति बेटे, जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं। खूब खुश रहो, दुरुस्त रहो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे कीर्ति, अखंड सौभाग्यवती रहो, जुग जुग जियो। बार ये दिन आए, बार ये दिन आए और जिंदगी के हर क्षेत्र में खूब प्रगति करो। फिर से हैप्पी बर्थडे।
जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे कीर्ति।
तुम 1000 साल के।
Hello Kirti Bhavi, happy birthday to you. Have a great birthday. May God fulfill all your wishes. You have a great birthday, great year and great life ahead. Hare Krishna and enjoy your day to the hill and सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा रहे। and हमारी तरफ से बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको। हर रोल आप जिस तरीके से खूबसूरती से अदा करते हैं, मदर का, वाइफ का, डॉटर इन लॉ का, डॉटर का, सिस्टर का, ऐसे ही हर रोल में आपकी खुशियाँ बढ़े और ऐसे ही हर दिन, हर वीक, हर मंथ और हर साल खुशनुमा रहे, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। हैव अ ग्रेट बर्थडे। थैंक यू।
Happy birthday to our dear Bhabhi. If you think we'll just wish you and walk out of the video, you're wrong, my dear. We are stuck with you in this life and beyond. You're not only our Bhabhi, but the best sister we have, and we are proud to the trio we have. So we've written some lines for you. तुम मिली तो भूल गए हम अपने दोस्तों को, तुम बन गई सबसे अच्छी सहेली मेरी। कभी माँ जैसे समझाती हो तो कभी छोटी बहन जैसे डांट खाती हो। कभी हंस के, कभी मुस्कुरा के और कभी एक दूसरे की खिंचाई से हर दिन अपने तरीके से खास बनाती हो।
खाना खजाना के नुस्खे हजार, पर दिल से तुम स्वादिष्ट भोजन बनाती हो। पोहा जलेबी दाल बाटी सभी का भरपूर आनंद दिलवाती हो। पर इन सबसे अच्छी है स्माइल तुम्हारी, जिसे देखकर खुशी आ जाती है। केक हो या चॉकलेट, सारी मिठाइयाँ इसके आगे फीकी पड़ जाती हैं।
तुम्हारे साथ छोले भटूरे खाओ या जलेबी, सब होते मज़ेदार। हर कॉन्वर्सेशन में लग जाता अलग ही तड़का जब अपन होते साथ। भाभी जान, यू आर सुपर मज़ेदार। वी प्रे योर लॉकडाउन बर्थडे इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी धुआंधार।
हर्ष और उल्लास से घर को खूब संवारा है आपने। मम्मा डैडी और अम्मा जी की प्यारी बेटी का रोल निभाया है आपने। कपिल भैया की जीवन संगनी और सुख दुख की साथी हो। सुकृति की टैलेंटेड मम्मा और हम सब की प्यारी भाभी हो।
You truly have a heart full of compassion and love, a hand which always held in our good and bad times. Have shared so many lovely memories with you yesterday, today and forever and days to come. We shared all secrets big and small, a bond that's really special. You're not only our bhabhi but our long life friend too. We are blessed to have you. Happy birthday Kittu. I love you so much. I don't know what to say and how much to say, but I really feel blessed that I have you in my life. You're one of the biggest assets I have. I have shared almost all secrets, big and small, with you. We've smiled so much together, laughed, cried, teased each other, pulled each other's leg, and I don't know how many innumerable memories we've created together. I just miss all of them. I just miss being with you today, and I wish I was there and we would have had a grand party. Be it a lockdown birthday, we would have really made it memorable. Thank you for giving Mithu to us. We are blessed, and I think I feel the most happiest when I see Mithu talking like a Mithu, and I could relate every minute she talks. The way you always said that she's like Bua, keeps on talking. So I'm happy, and that makes me even more glad when she calls me Bua. So I am actually thanking you for the gift you've given me. I feel blessed to have you both in our lives. Thank you for everything that you do every day for us. Love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you. We love you. We miss you a lot today. And may God bless you with the best of everything. And keep smiling. Your smile brings us so much warmth and love. We love you.
Yes, I can't believe it's been 7 years and you are a perfect match for my brother Kapil and our family. And I wish you a lot of happiness on your special day. Happy birthday. And I hope we can meet soon and all dance together and see Kapil's and Suku's awesome steps.
Yes. We love you. Happy birthday.
Take care. Happy birthday.